The Constituent Assembly Debates are not merely historical records, they are the soul of the Indian Constitution. Within these deliberations lies the intent, vision, and philosophy of the framers. Each article, clause, and phrase we study today was shaped through rigorous debate, compromise, and foresight. When we grapple with constitutional interpretations, these debates serve as a guiding light, revealing the framers' perspectives and the socio-political realities of their time. Consider the preamble, a document rooted in ideals of justice, liberty, equality, and fraternity. Its nuances become clearer when we revisit the passionate discussions surrounding its drafting. Similarly, contentious provisions like the reservation system or the balance of fundamental rights and directive principles gain deeper meaning when viewed through the lens of the Assembly's reasoning. These debates also highlight the diversity of voices that contributed to the Constitution, from Ambedkar's steadfast defense of individual rights to Nehru's emphasis on state-led development and the incisive critiques of women members advocating gender equality. The Assembly reflected India's plurality. For a law student, the debates are a treasure trove that bridges the text of the Constitution with its spirit. They remind us that the law is not static, it evolves, but its roots must remain anchored in the principles and aspirations of its makers. Understanding these discussions equips us to approach the Constitution not just as a legal document but as a living testament to India's democratic ideals.